So welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a lookalike audiences in Meta Ads Manager. In order to create a lookalike audiences, we should have a custom audiences already created in our ads account. So we can see here, we have already created a custom audiences here. So now I want to create a lookalike audiences of the people who have already purchased in last 180 days. So just click on create audience and choose a lookalike audience. So here we have to select a lookalike source. So we want to create a lookalike audience of the people who have purchased in last 180 days on our website. So I will select the custom audience of a purchase 180 days. So here under location, select the region or a country. So I will be selecting a country as India. So under audience size, we have to select a lookalike percentage. Lower is the lookalike percent, most similar is the audience to the original audience. So if you want to create a lookalike of a 3%, then just drag this arrow here and you can see with a 3% lookalike, our audience size will be 18 million. But I want to create a 1% lookalike audience of the people who purchased on our website in last 180 days. So I will just select the percentage as a 1%. So just I will click on create audience. So you can see here our lookalike 1% audience got created and it is populating. So this is how we create a lookalike audience in a Meta Ads Manager. If you find this video useful, to like, comment, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, do comment below.